So it's Monday the 22nd of December 2025. Here I am outside London Waterloo station yet again with the route masters. Well, yesterday was the last day of the class 455, you know, the official kind of closing ceremony. Outside Waterloo station I have my little class 455 farewell badge. You can just see. Because yesterday was the farewell tour, although I wasn't on the farewell tour. I managed to gain access because my friend got me platform access, and it was a very nice afternoon, very nice morning I should say. Well, the point being that there are actually 4 class 455s coming in the next half an hour here at Waterloo. So the day after the farewell tour, they are very much still alive and operating alongside the route masters for the time being. This one's got a bit of a job getting in.
That's not a Kelly. I don't think that's ever.
That's an interesting bit of parking, isn't it? Anyway, let's go and get our 455s. So here we are. So this train is going to be coming in on this platform here, platform 3, I think. No, platform 1. I think. Platform 1. Yes. So there should be 4. You heard me right. 4 class 455s on this Monday lunchtime, the day after the farewell tour. So all in the space of about 25 minutes, and they will all leave roughly at the same time. Well, not all at the same time, but within the space of about 25 minutes. So let's see what happens. It should be quite interesting, and I want to ride on one. I know I've said I'm riding on one for the final time, but today could be the last day because I'm not sure if I'll be back up here. And also the rail line between where I live in Feltham and Waterloo is all going to be under repair during the Christmas break. So whether we have the opportunity to get another one during January, I don't know. Apparently I spoke to Jeff Marshall, who is, famous YouTuber, and he told me that the 455s, some of them are being retained until March, but we'll see what happens. I don't think they're going to be in service after Christmas, but we will see what happens. Now this one here is just approaching Vauxhall. So they've changed platforms as usual. So this class 455 should be coming in on this side. Platform 3, it's a late change. Here he comes now. They're always doing that here. I think this is one of the ones that was on yesterday because they all look very clean. Unless they've literally just cleaned them all up. Look. Oh, it is that one. Look, it's one of the farewell ones. Look lovely, don't they? Yesterday it was a right old scrum around these, myself included. You can see today it's back in full service. Presuming they've stripped all the you notice that it's very bare in here now. Taken off all the branding from yesterday. Have to be quick because there's another one due in a second. It's quite unusual, isn't it, to see it without all the advertising. That step. So much for the lot. It's going to be the long farewell, isn't it? See, all the branding from yesterday's gone. They're right old souvenir, collector's souvenirs, aren't they? It's a long step down, isn't it? So there's 4. I think there's another.
Yeah, I don't really do photography that much.
There's another one. Look, it's three more due in. Where's he going? Ah. So there's another 2 after this. There's 4 this lunchtime.
4?
Yeah. This has come from Guildford, and there's another 2 in the next half an hour. Here's the next one. There's the other one. So you've got the pair now. These were the two farewell trains. Absolutely bizarre. Look at that. That is incredible. They look lovely, don't they, when they're painted up?
Oh, you're bookwork?
Yeah.
Are you London trains, coaches, boys, trains, and more?
So these are the two farewell ones.
I knew, so these people then. Half a nice move.
I'm not going to or just have a think.
Quite bizarre, isn't it? See if I can get up. Here's shot.
Yes, that's the van. Yeah, you're best to go to back and forth. No, I'll go back and forth. Yeah, no, it's fine, it's fine. Correct, it's 5, it's 5. It's back at 5, yeah? Right. Right, good. See you in a minute. Yeah, I don't know really well.
Run down the middle.
Clapham Junction, Wimbledon, Railway Park, Northampton, Kingston, Hampton Wick, Teddington, Caldwell, Hampton, Kempton Park, Sunbury, Upper Alford, and Sheffield. This train has
Okay, that's might as well stay here actually. I mean, I'm thinking of running all the way round, but what's the point? It's the real end of an era now.
the train at platform 5 is the 1347 service to Chester South, calling at Vauxhall, Clapham Junction, Bermondsey, Wimbledon, Rains Park, Watford Park, Walton Manor, Tolworth, Chessington North, Chessington South. This train has 8 carriages per day.
We are 2 farewell trains. Lovely. This one here.
Yeah, quick.
calling at Vauxhall, Clapham Junction, Bowlesfield, Wimbledon, Grangemouth, Oxford Park, Worcester Park, Stoneleigh, Euless, Epsom, Ashton, Leatherhead, Tookham, Effingham Junction, Horsley, London, London Road and Guildford. This train has 8 carriages. Please cannot
Customer announcement. From Saturday the 27th of December to Sunday the 4th of January, there will be major changes to train services between London Waterloo and Clapham Junction. An amended timetable will also operate over the Christmas and New Year period, so please plan ahead. To find out more, please visit southwesternrailway.com. Thank you.
in 13:15 service.
They're no.
I used to work on the diesel, so these were always a step up.
Yeah,
The diesels don't stay warm ever.
of course.
Have they given you any idea when the last ones are going to be running, or is it going into
This was
January?
supposed to be a 701, so
Oh, I see.
there's 3 trains in Wimbledon. If any of them pass the fitness test in this couple of weeks, they'll replace the last remaining diagrams.
Okay, there's 2 coming in now, 455s.
Yeah, so there should be, well, should be 1.5 diagrams every
Okay.
day. Looks like there's 2.5 today. But yeah, if any 701s are fit for service from Wimbledon, they'll displace one of these, and then the next day they'll displace one of these. But
I see.
It ends, yeah.
yeah,
Oh,
You're gonna-
two questions as well. Aren't you going up front?
yeah.
Yeah, nice to meet you, man.
You're gonna miss
yeah,
it?
I followed you on Instagram, yeah.
Oh, thank you.
You're going to miss these? Yeah,
Yeah, I've got They've got character.
it's old technology, isn't it?
Those are more hassle than they're worth. But
Yeah, but these are reliable.
Air and amps. If you've got enough power, if you've got air in the tank, it'll move.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, these are, I'm gonna miss these, you know.
Yeah.
I went to the Fairmont yesterday.
Oh really?
Yeah, it was fun, but it was too packed.
Yeah.
Because I wasn't
That's the-
expecting
that's
too
the
many
thing,
trains.
They're commuter trains, so it's always
Of
going to be
course.
absolutely rammed.
Yeah.
You're going to
Here's the other one. If you're able to give us a little...
Yeah.
Thank
I
you.
was going to ride it.
Is he... Oh, sorry. So this really is the end of an era. dirty that one is in comparison. Here comes the other one. It's the last one. Oh no! It's been done over. Oh no, look. This is real end of era stuff, isn't it? I love how they've cleaned that one bit at the front.
Two sets just turned on.
Quick before you get blocked. Or maybe not.
Oh no, look. Where's he going?
yeah.
He is, he's coming here. We will get blocked. This is it. Future has arrived. Yeah. Which one was first out? This is the last one, isn't it? This is
Six past. Most first.
where's this one? This is to where's this one going? Okay. Oh, what a pain. Damn things. So this goes at 6 minutes past, yeah? Okay, thank you. See.
Contact below?
06, yeah. That's my one. So we're going to get on that one. So here we are.
These trains are likely to be very busy, and trains will not run on Christmas Day and on Boxing Day. Please check for traffic.
So that one on platform 1 should be departing now.
Sorry, my bed bags escape was not allowed to be used at this station.
Which one is he on? Okay. We've just got time to film. Just got time to film that one. To the other one on the other side is going to Guildford. It's due out in a second. It's going now, I can hear it. There he goes, it's going. Future looking on. Okay. Let's go. I know, it's out of service soon.
Is Vauxhall.
the right. Speak to someone or text the British Transport Police 61016. Say it. Sorted.
Welcome to this B1406 Southwest Road service to Hampton. Ready to arrive at 1440. If you need assistance, please don't say.
This is Vauxhall. This train is for Hampton Court. The next station is Clapham Junction.
On the nose.
The next station is Clapham Junction. Change here for London Victoria, East Croydon, London Gatwick Airport, Process to the Mile Maker, and Tackling Rush Hour. Please mind the gap.
Get off here. Could be the last time. We'll see. I just thank you. Thank you. Oh, there's a Christmas one as well. Santa train. be the end of an era there. Gatwick Express Santa train. Oh well, there we are. It's Monday the 22nd of December 2025.